Good afternoon, ngayon po ay October 11, 2023, Wednesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. result. Ngayong October 11, 2023, Wednesday, ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. result ngayong Wednesday, October 11, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 11, 2023, Wednesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 8.9 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for Wednesday, October 11, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 11, 2023, Wednesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.